previous video, we have studied what are variables, what are data types. Considering that knowledge, we'll move forward and build a small project on how to calculate the area and perimeter of the rectangle. So let's begin. I have created the file and named it as rectangle. Once you do that, you can automatically see public class rectangle. If you want to know what is public, what is class, go to the first video. Once you create a file, let us write the main function which will help us to calculate the area and the perimeter of the rectangle. So we'll start writing the main function with public static void main. Then we'll say string, then arguments, open the brackets. To calculate the perimeter and the area of the rectangle, we need two things. One is length and another one is width. So I will be considering these two as in integers. You can consider it is either as in double if you want to define it in decimal values. So in my case, I will be consider it as an integer. So in Java, we write integer as int. Then define a variable as length and assign some value. So here I'll be taking 10 and then terminate it. Go to the next line. I'll say int width equal to 20. Now let us define the formula of an area. So what's the formula of an area? So it is length into width. So I'll write a comment saying that calculate the area of rectangle. So I will consider the area also as an integer. If you want, you can consider it as an double. Area equal to length times width and then terminate. We know that in rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. So what we'll do is to find out the perimeter, we need to add all the sides. So instead of what we do is, we will say length plus width, whatever the value we'll get, we'll just multiply it by 2. So which will give us the perimeter of the rectangle. So I'll write a comment. I'll consider the perimeter as integers. So we'll say length plus width. So whatever the value we get, we will times it by 2. So this will give us the perimeter of the rectangle. So now we have area, now we have perimeter. Let us write the print statement to display these values. So I'll write a comment, display output. So if you want to write the print statement, we will write it as system dot out dot print. I want to print it in the next line, so I'll use a statement that is println. Then I want to have a sequential set of characters, so I'll say area of rectangle. So I will concatenate it with the variable area. This is for the perimeter. I'll concatenate with the variable perimeter. So yeah, that's it. So let us see the output. We got the output as area of the rectangle as 200 and perimeter of the rectangle as 60. So now your challenge is to find out the area of the circle using the double as an data type. Let me know you have tried it or no. Thank you.